How to get started with investing in South Africa. Are you ready to grow your wealth and secure your financial future? Investing might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting started with investing in South Africa. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll share the most important tip every new investor needs to know before they start investing. Let's get into it. Why invest in South Africa? Let's start with the big question. Why invest in South Africa? Did you know the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, is the largest and most established stock market in Africa? It's home to some of the continent's most successful companies, like Naspers, MTN, and Capitec Bank, giving you access to industries like tech, finance, and retail. By investing, you're not just growing your money, you're also supporting South African businesses and driving the economy forward. What's one South African company you'd love to own shares in? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. Steps to start investing. Now, how do you actually get started? Here's a simple 5-step plan for new investors in South Africa. 1. Set clear goals. Why are you investing? Are you saving for retirement, a big purchase, or just to build wealth? Knowing your goal will guide your investment decisions. 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable taking risks for higher returns, or would you prefer a safer, steady approach? Be honest with yourself. It's your money at stake. 3. Choose an investment platform. To invest in stocks or ETFs, you'll need a brokerage account. Popular platforms in South Africa include EasyEquities, PSG Wealth, and FNB Share Investing. 4. Start small. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest. With platforms like EasyEquities, you can start with as little as R100. 5. Research before you invest. Look into the companies or funds you're considering. What's their track record? What do their financials say? Understanding what you're buying is crucial. If you had R5,000 to invest today, where would you put it? Stocks, ETFs, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's discuss. Popular investment options in South Africa. Now let's talk about where you can invest your money. South Africa offers a variety of options depending on your goals and risk appetite. 1. Stocks. Buying shares in companies listed on the JSE can offer high returns, but it comes with higher risks. Think companies like Shoprite, Aspen, or Sasol. 2. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are perfect for beginners. They're low-cost, diversified, and track the performance of indices like the JSE Top 40. Number 3. Real estate. Not ready to buy property outright? Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which let you earn from the property market without owning a house. 4. Bonds. Government bonds offer lower risks and stable returns, making them ideal for conservative investors. 5. Alternative investments. Want something different? Consider investing in commodities like gold or even crypto, but only if you understand the risks. Which of these options appeals to you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for, the most important tip for new investors. Before you even think about buying stocks or ETFs, you need to build an emergency fund. What's an emergency fund? It's 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in a safe, accessible account. This money acts as your financial safety net for unexpected expenses, medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Without an emergency fund, you might be forced to sell your investments during a market downturn, which can be devastating to your long-term goals. So if you don't have an emergency fund yet, make that your first priority before diving into the stock market. Trust me, it's the smartest move you can make. That's it for today's video. Are you ready to start your investment journey in South Africa? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's thinking about investing. Oh, and here's a question for you. Which topic should we cover next? Maybe a deep dive into dividend-paying stocks, or how to build a diversified portfolio? Let me know in the comments below. Invest smart, stay consistent, grow your wealth. See you in the next video.